Glasgow. Built with steel, fueled by coal, driven by grit, defined by innovation. Once the beating heart of the Industrial Revolution, Glasgow was the workshop of the world. From James Watt's steam engines to breakthroughs in clean transport, our city has always powered progress. Today, that same pioneering spirit is sparking a new kind of revolution, one driven by climate ambition and fairness. Glasgow now boasts over 12,000 renewable energy sites, more than any other UK city. Glasgow is rewriting its legacy in green ink. Just outside the city, Whiteley Wind Farm stands proud on the Eaglesham Moors. It's the UK's largest onshore wind farm, and a symbol of our ambition. In 2021, the world looked to Glasgow. As the host of COP26, we welcomed global leaders, scientists, and citizens. Glasgow didn't just host the conversation, we helped shape its legacy. And we're only just getting started. Glasgow is re-engineering its energy systems, with plans to connect nearly half the city to clean, local heat networks by 2030. In 2023, Glasgow's own hydrogen vehicle systems launched the UK's first hydrogen electric lorry. All engineered right here. In the skies, Glasgow-based Loganair, the UK's largest regional airline, is to bring hydrogen-powered flights to the Highlands by 2030. Even our waterways are getting smarter. The Glasgow Smart Canal, Europe's first, uses real-time data and automation to prevent flooding and unlock land for over 3,000 new homes. And at the heart of it all, a just transition ensures every community shapes and benefits from the shift to net zero. Our past and our future are connected by innovation. This is Glasgow, a city that turned coal into progress. Now, we're turning purpose into power.